Okay, I'm going to go through these intro tutorial challenges because I was obviously struggling a bit too much with what I was just trying to do. So I think it's worth me doing this. So I'm going to read through this quickly to see if I can kind of understand everything a lot better. So, so I'm going to read this about the challenges. Each challenge will describe a scenario. You will code a solution. As you progress through the challenges, you will learn some important concepts and algorithms. In each challenge, you'll receive an input on stdin, and you will need to print the correct output to std out. Let's just see what. Okay. There may be time limits that will force you to make your code efficient. If you receive a terminated due to timeout message when you submit your solution, you'll need to reconsider your method. If you want to test your code locally, each test can be downloaded, inputs and expected results using hackos. You will earn hackos as you solve challenges, and you can spend them on these tests. For many challenges, helper methods like an array will be provided to you for you to process the input into a useful format. You can use these methods to get started with your program, or you can write your own input methods if you want. Your code just needs to print the right output to each test case. This is a simple challenge to get things started. Given a sorted array and a number, you can print the index location of V in the array. Array 123 V3 return 2 for a 0 base. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I think what I was confused about before was the constraints. Right, so I'm going to do my first. This should hopefully be really easy. So, intro tutorial V. I literally wasn't ready taking it in when I read that just now. So, the function is expected to return an integer. The function accepts following parameters: integer and integer array. Let me just go back over it to make sure that I'm understanding it properly. So, yeah, int array, sort of array, and then we're searching for an integer. The first line contains an integer, a value to search for. The next line contains an integer, n, the size of. So yeah, it's the size of the array. That's 3. Okay, I got you. Got you. Got ya. Got ya. So it's literally the size of the array. Four v equals 4, 6. This is so hard to read these. Four is the second element in the array. So you put in the value you want, which is 4, and the array. I'm just wondering why they put 2 inputs. So the index of dot index of the was it index of JS index of turn I can't see why this wouldn't work, but I feel like I'm not really checking for enough things, but let's just test it anyway. Let's just run the code and see what happens. Index of voila. It's a very easy one, so I would be concerned if I didn't get that. Let's submit it, which I feel like it will fail because I don't think I'm considering these bits, the constraints. So we will occur in the rate exactly once. Let's submit it and see if it's happy with that. Okay. Okay, it's happy with that as well. So that's one challenge down. Next challenge. So this one is sorting. Yep, this is probably pretty easy to do with JavaScript. One common task for computers is to sort data. For example, people might want to see all their files on a computer, sort by size. Since sorting is a simple problem with many different possible solutions, it is often used to introduce the study of algorithms. Fair. Yep. I'll sort number E in the right one will say you can create simple insert 2 so that it remains sorted. Assume you're given the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, index 0, 4. Store the value of R4. Now test lower index values successively from 3 to 0 until you reach a value that is lower than R4 at R1 in this case. Each time your test fails, copy the value at the lower index to the current index and print your array. When the next lower index value is smaller than the R, insert the stored value at the current index and print the entire array. So that's these are the inputs, I guess. Input 5, and then the array is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. So I guess with this, we need to. Oh, we're sorting it. Okay, so we're going to literally just make a new array and make sure that the next number is always the number that is nearest to the number that we're passing, I guess. So start at the rightmost index. Store the value of R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got you. This makes sense. Okay, so we got to go for the. It's actually the other way around than what I just said. We've got to go to the smaller one. So here are the results. Okay, so I think I might get it. So this will be my sorted. Just do my sorted array. This is like HackerRank for dummies. I'm literally doing the easiest ones first because I need to practice. So yeah, sorted, and then in the end we're gonna also return sorted. But yeah, so array dot for each. I think we wanted to put the first one, the highest first. So how do we do it? Let's just look at that again so I can kind of think of how I might do that. So oh, it wasn't the highest. Start at the right. I see. So we don't start at the highest. We start at the last. So we need to get the last value from the array. I'm just going to do it like this for now. Final value array dot Was it slice? Was it slice or splice? I get so confused. Slice. Just slice. Yeah, slice -1 to get the last value, I believe. Slice -1. Was it using? Yeah, slice -1. So getting the last value. And then we need to so if okay, I haven't got it. Let me just read this again. Let's read that again. Assume you are given the array R equals 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, index 0, blah, 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 4. Store the value of R4. Now test lower index values successively from 3 to 0 until you reach a value that is lower than the one that we took. Start the rightmost index compare. Here are the results as described. So with this example, it's obviously taken 5 from the end, and then there's 2 5s. This is supposed to be easy, so just gonna go with that. That this is easy. It's supposed to be easy. So you might put in 5. Wow, I'm so bad at these. This is why I'm doing this because I want to get better. So I'm so bad at these. To read it again. Reading it for the 10 millionth time. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Can you write? It's literally telling me what to do as well. So I don't know what I'm struggling with, but it's actually telling me what to do. So, but these are muscles that I don't usually exercise, so understandable. And also, the pressure of streaming whilst doing this does add an element of challenge as well. So, which is good. Which is good. Because when I'm in an interview, this is the kind of environment that I'll be in. So yeah, it's better to get used to it now. Okay. I guess what I'm confused about is why they're passing two inputs. I thought they would just be literally just putting in the array to sort it, but and why do we start at the rightmost index? That's why. Start at the rightmost index, store the value of R4 equals 3. Compare this to each element So we're comparing. Okay, so let me just melt this up. We're comparing each element. We are comparing each element. Compare, compare, until a smaller value is reached. So I guess I'm going to loop over the ray, and if the value that comes up is smaller, bigger, then we skip it, I guess. But if it's smaller, then we push it. If the value is smaller, then we push it. But then what do we do with the value that we took out from the array? Maybe it's just being used to compare. But let me just try anyway, just to see what happens. So this is me getting the final value. And then obviously the array, which I was gonna put it in there, but I guess I can just return when I get to it. But let me loop for it anyway. Oh, that for each. I hate using this keyboard. For each, so I guess we was getting the final value, so we can use it as a marker. So if, let me try to do it online, and let me just get a number. Let's call it n. So I think, what was it? If it's less, if it's more, you skip it. If it's less, you add it. Right? That's what I was getting from what I. And I guess eventually. Oh, hi, hello. Long time no see. It's been many years. This is a very nerdy stream of me doing coding challenges. This is what I've become. Hey. Thank you for stopping by. I don't even use Twitch, but I thought last week I wanted to start streaming, so I've started streaming now. Yeah, this is it can't get any more nerdier than this. But yeah, this is my life now, so. And I'm not even good at doing this, so it's quite embarrassing. I'm so bad at what I'm doing right now. I'm so solving coding problems. I'm awful. So it's quite embarrassing. All I do is scare people away. Why did the person leave? How have you been? I wonder how long it's been. It's probably been like literally about 5 odd years, right? I'd imagine. That's crazy. Yeah. Was it actually 2017? Oh my gosh, I was like 5. About 5 years old then, it seems like. That's before COVID. Yes, I do have Instagram. I don't use it, but I have it. It's literally just my name. Everything's my name. My Instagram is Kalish. Yeah, I don't have Snapchat. I stopped using that like years ago. My Instagram is Kalish. My Twitter is. I use Twitter, to be honest with you. Stubborn Neko. That's what I use mostly. Twitter. Stubborn Neko. Because I am a stubborn Neko. That's why. Oh, I spelled it wrong, didn't I? No, it's right. Southern Echo. Do you use Twitter? Or X? I don't call it X. It's still Twitter. It's Twitter. It's always going to be Twitter for me. Um, push in. Is it less than or if it's more than? Else. I think you just don't do anything. I think this. I don't know. Oh, do you? I don't have the app. I uninstalled the app because I found I went on it too much, and I would end up like sitting on it, looking at it for ages and wasting my time. So yeah, so I don't use it, but I have it. But I actually use Twitter though. It's the only thing I use. Was it when it's less than or when it's more than? Compare this element to each time when the next lower index is smaller than smaller. I think I've done great. No, I've done it right. Will this work? I'll look for each. Damn it! Damn it! Oh, I don't think I'm putting out. Oh, I didn't put this in. What is that for again? I'm struggling to do an easy problem. Can you hear my music? I'm literally so new to this. I had a lot of trouble setting everything up, but some kind soul helped me the other day, who was watching my stream, to set things up a bit. So I think it's a bit better, but I'm still not. I've got a mic. I've got a mic now. Can't see it, but I've got a mic. I don't know. I don't know how good the setup is. Oh really? It's loud for me. Oh my gosh. Yes, even too loud for me. It's little cool, little coding, cool little lo-fi. Yes, I am streaming from OBS. Yeah. In the mixer. In the mixer, I've turned that down because when I had it up, I had an echo. So I've had to turn. Oh wait, no, it wasn't that had echo. Sorry, desktop audio is down though. Should it be up? I've just realised that the one that was echoing was my mic, not my video camera. But desktop audio is down though. But if I put it up, wouldn't it echo? Because it can hear it, or will it cancel it out? Oh, let me put it up and see what happens. Can you hear it? And can you hear it twice? Is it echoing? Sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to give you hearing problems. I turn it up to the top, that's why. But can you hear it twice? Or is it cancelling it out? Oh, that's great. Okay, well maybe I can keep that one up then. How is the balance of voice and The voice and music. Can you still hear? You can still hear me, obviously, since you're responding. But okay, that's good. As long as I can be heard. Thank you. Oh, is it? I turned it down probably a bit too much. I've turned it up now. We have to have music. Don't want to just hear my voice. Awful. I might stream some games as well at some point, but I don't have a setup for that, and I find it overwhelming to stream and game at the same time. So it will have to be a game that I've played before. But yeah, I'm not much of a streamer. Oh, is it still too loud? I will turn it down. I've turned it down now. There we go. Way. Thank you. Yay. Yeah, because I'd rather not have to listen to the stack myself. I hate listening to my voice. So I'm happy that we were able to sort it out here live. Thank you. Oh really? I actually haven't spoken to him for like literally, whew. Yeah, probably about 5 odd years. Yeah, I haven't spoken to him for a long time. I never really look on Twitch, but if I look at it and see you stream, I'll try to drop in as well. I just literally never, I just don't open this app until I started streaming last week. So, got to run that code. Let's see. Whoop, doesn't work. Put in 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, it wouldn't work. It's be -1. I hate my life. Oh my gosh, I've got 4 viewers. I mean, not 4, sorry, 5 viewers. This is a record for me. So thank you, people, for watching me not do much because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh god. Whenever I say that, the people leave. So I don't wish to scare you away. But yeah, this is expected output. Oh, I see where I'm going wrong. I'm not doing it each time. That's why. I'm not. Oh. I need to return. I need to do it from here, not from there. So sorted. Whoops. Sorted. It's not like that. Be like that. And with you, how do you deal with the chat thing? Because obviously with me, I literally have to open OBS to look at the chat. Do you usually use the phone app, or do you do the same, open OBS and chat with OBS? Oh, I'm doing it completely wrong. Okay, let's just break this down. Array dot for each. We're going through the array. These are the numbers in the array, and I'm checking to see if it's less than the final value. If it is, pushing it to sorted. Oh, I've just realised what I've done. I didn't notice that. I pushed it to the wrong place. My bad. Oh, you can open the chat. Oh my gosh, I need to do that. Yeah, I think that will make more sense. I open the Chrome chat. I don't even know how to do that if I'm honest. I need to learn how to do that though. Yeah, sorted.push the number. Otherwise, we're not going to do anything. I don't know if that's the way to do it, but push, and then we will. If I return it here, will it return it there? I'm gonna check, and I can't remember. I'm just gonna do it like that. Oh my god! Okay, it doesn't return from there. So, just gonna put it. We're gonna do it out here. But then it's not gonna be sorted. Oh wait, I think I get it. It has to do it 5 times. Or 4 times. It's gonna have to loop. I'm gonna have to do 4, not this one. 4. Oh wait, does it? 1, 2, 3. No, it doesn't actually. Yeah, let me do that. Let me go to the Twitch dashboard to do that actually. I'm gonna do that now. Twitch. I don't know how to get the chat. Can't find it. Where the hell is it? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I found it now. It doesn't open the chat. It's just opening nothing. Maybe I've got ad block on. I think that could be why. Put it on the side. Oh god. Top right, there is an arrow on the top right. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wait, hold on. I think I've got rid of it somehow. Now press cog get and look for pop out chat. Oh, I found it. Pop out chat. Oh, thank you. Thank you. There we go. That's a bit better, isn't it? That's a little bit better, isn't it? So I guess I can put that. I can save it as my bookmark so I can remember. Thank you so much. Every stream I get one step closer to having a normal setup. Now I have to remember where to find that when I'm doing things. There we go. A bit better, innit? Now if I could pin it, that would be a bit better as well. But oh, I do have I have it. I'm not that far into it, but I do have it. Hi, I've got 6 people in the stream now. Thank you for watching me do nothing, because I'm not doing much. I'm trying. How far into the game are you? I'm literally still at the beginning bit. When you're when you first meet the people that throw the dynamites. I'm playing on PlayStation 5. I have a PS5. That's what I play it on. When I do play it, I don't really play it, but yeah, that's what I play on. Oh, you're quite far into the game then. Puzzle, sewer. Yeah, that's like... Wait, sewer. Sewer. Yeah, it sounds quite far into the game. Hi! my voice was just gone. I code in JavaScript. So at the moment I'm doing this in Node.js, JavaScript. Oh, you must be doing that funny square puzzle, right? The square thing where you got to move it to the sides and stuff. Yeah, that's what I did. I just noticed that it's something to do what I've already done. Print the array as a row of space separating inches each time there is a shift or insertion. Okay. Oh, maybe that's where I'm going wrong. I'm not console logging it. They're saying print. I guess that's the problem. I'm so dumb. I see now what the issue is. So I'm just going to do that again now. Let's change it to if statement instead. Because this is a bit too... It's not how we want it to be. Okay. Yeah, I see now. I was not printing it. Like... beginners in cybersecurity. I'm so sorry, but I'm just merely a front-end developer. I'm not great with cybersecurity. That's something I wish to get into, but I'm not yet. Yeah, I'm not yet there. If energy sorted push and then print after the swap. What swap? Do you mean it's when I do this, isn't it? Sorted.push console.log. Sorted? Is that it? Because I want to. Yeah, I don't know why I'm not in VS Code, to be honest with you. Do you think it would be better to do that? I thought I'd just do it in the editor. What are the benefits of using my coding editor rather than just doing it in here? Because they provide me with... Yeah, you're right, actually. I might do it in VS Code instead, actually. I just realised it probably would make a bit more sense. I just copy all of the code, right, I guess. Copy the code. Well, I'm struggling, so... Oh. That's mainly the reason, but yeah, I haven't really used much of debugging in there, but it is quite a simple task, but I'm just still struggling, so yeah. Are you good at doing elite HackerRank challenges? I'm actually practicing for an assessment that I have today because I haven't really done many challenges before. Obviously, I code, but it's usually just simple things, just front end stuff, not any algorithms or anything, because it does it for you really. So I don't usually have to, but that's why I'm trying to do this so I can get good. I still have clips of the challenges I done back in the day. I saw it when I came back onto Twitch last week. I was like, oh my gosh, they're still here. Yeah, I was like, wow. What did I do? I'll have to use some paper so I can visualize it better. I need to be able to console look. I see what you mean. Maybe it is better to do it on VS Code. So I'm going to do that because I need to see the output. Otherwise, my mind can't. You just can't get it. So I'm going to take this function to VS Code. Let me make a new. I'm going to have to show that now. Yeah, I think it's the same. It's just the same kind of thing where you do like challenges and stuff. I've never really done them before, so I'm just going to try to get my VS Code. Just show. VS Code. I need to see the output, so that's why I'm doing this. Make a new. Oh, it's going to still show the window. Oh my god, it's opening a new window. What languages do you code in? Vahid? Is that how you say the name? Oh my god. Put in here. Ah, okay. Okay. This doesn't help me actually, unless I put it in the browser. I just realised. I need to put it in a node thing so I can run it. Oh my god. Yeah, because how do I console log in here? Maybe I'll just stick to there. Because then I still can't console log it anyway. It's never mind. I don't think you can do it there like that, can you? Okay, I'll open it back and see. Unless you make it like a node, you run it in node, right? Can I still... How would I run the function in here? Where is this file? Oh. What do I do now, Vahid? How do I run the function? The three dots up. 3 dots up. The what? 3 dots up. Oh, I see what you mean. I need to. Oh my god. I have to do this, right? Like this. Oops, I'm pressing the wrong one. Run. Oh, now there's too many people in here, and I feel a lot of pressure. And I'm joking. Hi, people. Thank you for joining. Okay. It's not quite showing what's in there, but this is a start. Is this what you was expecting? Hi, Beige. Promotion. Okay. Thank you, but no thank you. Thank you, but no thank you. I'm actually not new to coding. I'm just new to coding in this way. I usually code websites and stuff. I never really have to do anything like this, so I'm very much not new to coding. I've been coding as a front-end engineer for like 5 years. So yeah, I'm not new to coding at all. But yeah, I'm new to this. Yeah. Yeah, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but again, I'm just not used to using the VS Code in this way. Usually it's just, I'm just literally just focusing on my file and I look at it in the browser, and I obviously use GitHub and stuff, but I don't ever have to. Yeah, I do both. I can make websites from scratch. I can make them with all of the above, but yeah, I'm just trying to exercise my problem solving skills because I've got an assessment for Amazon and I'm not used to solving leak code problems basically. So that's why I'm doing this. So I can kind of pass my assessment. But yeah, I don't know how to run this in here unless I set up a package and then run a script with npm, but that seems a bit overkill for this, but I might have to do that so that it can work in a way that I'm familiar with, to be honest with you. It'll be like npm start. So what I might do is just npm init. I'm going to make a folder for this. HackeRank. This is new. Okay, I don't like that. Oh. Actually can't see the bottom of it. Whoa, what is this terminal? This is not the terminal I use usually. Bye, enjoy! I wish I could have some. Why do I have an if statement? I have an if statement because it said to... The challenge said to push it if it's less than. I don't know why I have an if statement either at this point. I need to get my terminal that I usually use. Is it Ubuntu? That's what I usually use. So I'm going to set up a project there. Let me have your meal. Give me your meal. I need food. Yes, this. Oh, I need to open this up with terminal because I usually use WSL, but I can't open it from here, so I'm just going to close that. So, ooh. Let's get terminal. I'm going to make a directory so I can make it a node app so that I can run the functions. Yeah, I don't know how to do it without using terminal. So, because then it makes it Windows. Is it here? HackeRank. If I do this, then I will be more like, I will understand stuff better, to be honest. So, yeah. Okay. Is it HackeRank CD? Ah. What I will do is make... Oh, what's all that? Oh, wow. Where's VS Code? Sort. Can't see VS Code again. What? On the... Whoa, what's happened? Let's close it. There we go. Okay, this is now how what I'm familiar with. So let's work with this. So in theory, yeah, main. Okay, let's call it index because it wants to be called index. Now, if I put this in here, put what I had before in here, let's get it back. Let's get that back. We can run it here and just see if it will work how I expect it to work. Ignore this for now. I'm checking to see if this is actually running. It runs. Okay. Let's see. What was it? npm run main. npm run. I actually can't remember how to start it. Will it just start? How did you do it again? Or was it just node? Let me remind myself how to run node main. How did you run it again? Oh yeah, it was literally just node. Okay. Node. Okay. Cool. Okay. So yeah, this runs now, so I can test it easier now. Okay, this is not what I want it to be. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we've got this set up better. I'm gonna just go back to the to the task to kind of understand it again. Okay. And what kind of things do you usually make? Are you mainly back end? Because I feel like C++ and Python are obviously back end languages. Oh, what's happened there? Yeah, I'm literally so lost, if I'm honest. Wow. Oh, so not 4 each. Is it wow? Hmm. Wow. So would it be a for loop inside a for loop? Whoa, this is slow. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll try that. But I've forgotten how to. Squared in. Oh, I see. I did learn that earlier today about time complexity. So, you said wow. It's like while I is no, not I. R I is less, was it less than or more than? Less than final value. Full value. Do something. Thought of. I've never seen that in my life. Okay, I'm seeing. I think I'm. Yeah, I might have to Google it. I'm gonna Google insertion sort because this is supposed to be teaching me that. That's the funny thing. Insertion sort. Let's wonder what's the best source to look at. Let's go with this one. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by iteratively inserting each element of an unsorted list into its correct position in the sorted portion of the list. It is a stable sorting algorithm, meaning that elements with equal values maintain their relative order in the sorted output. So you split into two groups. Okay. Okay, it's just part of the problem. Part of the problem. So I'm building a sorted array of one element at a time. To achieve insertion sort, follow these steps. Yeah, I've not learned anything about algorithms before, to be honest with you. And that's why I'm doing this. So I was exposed to the big O from doing this and stuff like that, which I now understand a bit more. But I was just literally a bit overwhelmed in the beginning. And earlier I was trying to do a tree challenge, and that was quite hard. To achieve insertion sort, follow these steps. Follow these. I am self-learned. Yep, I didn't do computer science or anything, so that's where my gap in learning is. I don't know a lot about the fundamentals. I just know how to just do things with using like functions that JavaScript provides. For example, JavaScript will have a function for this. For the most part. Are you self-learned? Whoa, what's that? Okay, so it's showing me an example. They've obviously put in 23, 1, 10, 5, 2. And then I guess by using the last one, which is still not making sense to me. Now. So I guess is it a four? It's going to be. Oh really? Oh, you're still studying? So I guess it's passing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see why it's so it will be a for loop. That is another for loop, right? Why would this be a while instead of a for? Because it looks like I have to go over each. Actually, no. Yeah, I see what you mean. Don't worry. Ignore what I've just said. I've just realised. Never mind. So yeah, I'm going over each character, and I guess the while is to check if it's less or higher, and if it's higher, you put it at the beginning. If it's no, if it's I think I got it now. I've just got it. I've just got it. I've just got it. So it'll be I can't remember what the method was to put it to the other side. So it'll be push these the pop. Is it not pop? JS pop push shift. Would it be shift unshift? What's the one that you put it in and then can't remember which one it was. It was push. I know push. Nice. You must have learned a lot in that. I wish I did some sort of course like that because I think it would have been good for me to kind of learn these things. I guess I can just do it with using the numbers, actually. That's what I'll do. Actually, how do you... So think of it as sorting cards. Okay, let me try and think of that. Think of it as sorting cards. You pick every card... Wait, hang on, let me just... You pick up a card. Maybe I should draw like a diagram for myself. I'm going to open Paint. Let's get Paint. Paint. Been a while since I've opened this. Can you see it? It's like it's bugging. Wouldn't that get rid of things? I was thinking that would get rid of stuff. If you want to get rid of stuff, then that's fine. But, So I guess if I put it at the end or I put it at the beginning, is that kind of what it is? I put it at the beginning or the beginning. So if it's less than, I put it at the beginning. And if it's not less than, I put it at the end. Which probably makes the most sense. What have I done? Let's get rid of that. Okay, so yeah, if R I see what you mean actually. So I guess I would take it away from the previous. So if it's less than or oh, I forgot to get the sorted. Sorted. Would it be out here or would it be in there? It's actually in here. Sorted. car. Why +1? Hmm. Do you know what? I'm just going to do this for now to see what happens, so at least I can kind of have an idea of about what's happening, because at the moment I just can't visualize it. So I'm just going to literally just do that for now. Can't visualize it. Whoa. That's all sorted. Whoops. While this lesson, -1, +1. Doesn't like it's. Oh, I don't have to do a while loop actually. I just realised that because I never really use those when I do anything. So I'm just gonna look at if I miss something with it. Wow. I never do them. Oh, is that it? Okay. Break it down again. Need some water. This is tiring. You should move elements of R that are greater than to one position ahead of their current position. Oh, that's what this is actually what I'm meant to put over here. Hey, I've got a 100 messages notification. And what is DSA? DSA. DSA. I thought it means something sort algorithm. Data sort algorithm. It's not required. I'm actually only doing this to prepare myself for an assessment for Amazon that I've got through to. So I'm doing this so I can prepare because it's going to be quite tough. I won't pass it probably, but at least I'll have a better chance. Yeah. But yeah, it's good to. It is good. It is. This is a good thing to exercise, because I wish I had exercised this sooner, because that means I would have been a bit more prepared. But because I haven't, I literally have no legs to stand on. And yeah. But even if you suck now, I suck. I will get better if I keep doing this. So you can too. Sorry, I think I missed what you just said. So you said if I compare it to Quicksort. Yeah, let me look at Quicksort again. You did tell me to look at that, to be fair. Let me look at it again. Oh, where is it? Where's Quicksort? Quicksort. Where was it? Quicksort. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, let's not put it to JavaScript. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should go to a different. This is supposed to be teaching me. This is supposed to be easy as well. Is this easy? Is it actually easy? Yeah. Well, this is supposed to be easy as well. So, it's not quite easy to me, but yeah, I'm not finding this easy at all. Or maybe I'm just dumb. And I shouldn't bother. But I'm determined. Yeah, it's not easy to me. How did you find it in your college days? Like, were you able to do it easily? Or were you struggling like I am with this one? To be honest though, in my defense, I am also streaming whilst doing this. It does add a sense of pressure. So that's my excuse, to be honest with you. That's my excuse, because I'm streaming. So, Vahid, are you saying I should go and do a different challenge? Quicksort one? Quicksort, let's see what comes up. Quicksort. This says medium, so it's definitely not easy. Quicksort. Is there any others? Maybe this one's just the one that's. This ain't really this ain't rendering properly. Yeah, I can't make it. That's silly. Let me just see if it will. Oh, it doesn't matter. That's excessive, isn't it? Running. This is easy. This is easy. What do you mean? It's already there? Bubble sort. Bubble sort. All right, let's try bubble sort. Well, this says it's easy. Is this easy? Doesn't look it. Yeah, doesn't look easy to me. Selection sort or bubble sort? Selection sort. Selection sort. I'm gonna look at them both and see what looks more easy for me. So this is selection sort. Is it? Selection. Oh, selection. That is not selection sort. I'm gonna have to look on Google. HackeRank. Bubble sort. This makes me. It says easy. Great. this is locked, first of all. So why is it locked? Selection sort is easy. Why are there so many sorting? It's all the same thing though, isn't it? Oh, so I think the issue I was having with this is that I'm not doing a for loop inside of the problem, right? That's what that's made me realize. Because obviously I'm looping through the length of the array, which only covers array. I don't know. But anyway, let's look at this. This is bubble sort. So I guess so if I needed to use it for my assessment, I could just pick any of the sorting methods, but they do the same thing. But is like one more efficient or something? Like why are there so many different ways? Oh, okay, so time. Yeah, makes sense. So you got different time complexities, whatever you call it. Okay, so with this one, this is basically what you said to do, right? In what I was just trying to do. Ah, I see. Yeah, the sort that I find easiest is when you just like store it in a variable and then you change it based on what's next. So, oh wait, I've just got a light bulb moment. It's gone. It went. Sorry, it went. It went. Oh god. Selection sort and insertion sort, bubble sort. There's so many sorts. You know what I mean? There's so many. One second, I'm just gonna get some chocolate because I can't. Oh, it's right here. I think it's right here. I need a bit of chocolate. I think that's the problem. Where is my chocolate gone? That I had. It's in here. A bit of chocolate. Oh gosh. Right, let's get back to this. This is ruining my life, actually. I'm not even joking. This is actually ruining my life. Merge sort. What is that? Let me look at it to see. Does say hard. Easy is hard, so boy. Hopefully one day I can do these. Doesn't even have any hints or anything. Anyway, back to the issue at hand. Also, thank you so much for interacting with me, guys. You, it's nice when people interact. Greedy Gamer, are you studying as well? What about the sliding search? Is that that's a sorting thing as well, isn't it? The sliding thing. Can't remember what it's called. Amazing. How does it know when it's sorted? BSC tree. Binary. Search tree? Is that right? You're using all of these acronyms that I'm not familiar with. I think I did learn binary search tree last week, actually, to be fair. Is it the one where you're trying to... No, that's not that one. What's the one where you're trying to get the highest point? I mean, check the closest node. I think I bought money cleaning. Oh my god. Interesting. Tastes a bit like mold. Okay. Fun stuff. Mern stack. Chat. Ah, you might be talking about, I mean, almost solving the one I was having trouble with earlier. I was doing some tree challenge, where I had to find the highest point of the tree. Sounds like that's what you might be referring to. It was like talking about roots and nodes and stuff like that. What's a Mern chat? A Mern stack? Is that? Yeah, what is that actually? I don't know what that is. I'm also streaming myself building an application, but with that, at least I know what I'm doing a bit more than this. I'm obviously streaming this today because I'm practicing, but okay. Let me just look at this again because I wasn't really taking it in. Consider the following version of bubble sort. Given an array of integers, sort the array in ascending order using the bubble sort algorithm above. Once sorted, print the following 3 lines. Oh, there, this one. I like this one. You swap it. That makes a bit more sense to me, to be fair. Swapping it makes more sense, so. I'm going to try to do this, actually. So, okay. Oh my god. Where's the function bit? What I'll be doing node. So where is it? Let's just take this into VS code. I'm going to do away with this for now. I'll make a new file. Bubble. Sort. It's an array that it wants me to put. So I put an array in. Oh, nice. I think that's literally the same tech stack I'm using for my chat application, actually. My chat, not chat, sorry, my language exchange application. Oh yeah, I just realised you were the person who commented on my video. Because I remember someone said that they're making something similar, so it was you. I just realised. My bad, didn't notice that. Yeah, so my app will have a chat in there, but it's also, you can book in it as well. What is your app? Swaps. So you've got the swaps. Just do that for now. Swap method. Oh, I thought that was an example. I thought it was an example. I didn't know that was a function. In JavaScript, there's a function called swap. I don't. You should. In JavaScript? Swap. I don't think JavaScript has that. But I know how I would swap it anyway, to be fair. You literally can see what to do anyway, to be fair. swaps. I can literally see it there, so this is this is feels like I'm cheating. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here for such a long time. Bye. Have a nice day wherever you are. Or night. I'm just trying to I'm trying to make a swap function. I feel like I've not learnt much today. I'm just gonna have to wing it when I do the test now. Well, actually, I've learnt some. I've learnt about bubble sort. I've learnt about filtered sort and all these things. Still can't do it, but yeah. So swap. I'm gonna take two numbers. And then. Oh my god! No, we're not gonna. Yes, we are. How would we swap it? How would that have swapped it? How do we swap it? I still don't know the logic, to be honest. Still don't. I still do not. So yeah, swap. This doesn't make sense because if I want to swap it, it's obviously not going to be related to the wider function. So that's what. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Create a temporary bar. Swapping. Create a temporary variable. I guess I'm trying to look too much at what the other function was doing. Yeah, that's what it's put there. But that doesn't, how does it, that's just swapping it. So put in if this isn't in it, isn't it? If, well, it's supposed to be in there. Swap. I want to swap these two. AJ. So I'm wanting to swap these two. However, so yeah, if if that value is more than that one, J equals AJ not AJ, sorry. I just realised I've not made a I didn't realise I didn't make a variable. Const values I don't know. Bar temp. I can't read that. I'm just gonna copy that in here because I can't. For some reason, I can't read that out of context. Does this look closer to what you mean? For oh yeah, I forgot to add it. Otherwise, values. J equals AJ. Oh my gosh, this is like blowing my mind. I'm not gonna lie to you. Low J, would it be J or I? I think the issue for me is that I can't see what's happening. I think I need to write it down, you know. I think that will help me a lot if I use, again, like when I opened Paint before, it probably makes sense for me to do that. Because I need to visualize something, otherwise I just can't get it. Yeah, I need to be able to see it happening. This might help me. Okay, so we're swapping. This is what we start with. What do you mean by the temp though? That's what I'm a bit confused by. I'm doing a diagram so I can visually get it. 3, we expect 1, 3, 6. So the first time, obviously, so the loop goes through each thing in the array. We loop through each element in the array. What I don't get is the need for the second for, because already this for is already looking at each value. So why are we going over each value again? Do you get what I mean? Because already we're looking at individual values. Or is it because we want to check each individual value against all the other values? Is that why we do the second for loop? That is why. Okay, that is why, I guess. So then we're checking over that, and then we check over each one against each thing that exists. And so forth. And in doing that, we're able to swap. So I guess the first time, I haven't got enough space now. The first time, I obviously check, I'm like, okay, 1 is less than 3. Best viewers on UOP. What is that? This looks like a spam. Is it spam? Is that spam? Let's check. Yes, it is. Love that for me. So let me just try to understand what you're saying, Greedy Gamer. Greedy Gamer is saying, first, put temporary, I can't say temporary temporary value of... You set a temporary value that stores AJ. And you make a second array, is that right? Oh, no, second. Sorry, that's the second thing you're saying. Okay, so first, var, and then in the array, you go to the J value and you change it to where you've confused me is you've done AJ. Why have you done ARR and A square bracket J? Is that an accident or is that intentional? Oh, it is. It's intentional. I just noticed because the last one says A square bracket J. So you update the array. I see now. I get it now. I got you. I got what you mean now. Thanks for that. I get it now. Yeah. So you're literally making a new array based on the original array, but then you're replacing it once you've put everything together. Got you. Makes sense. I think new array. N take away one I? What does that mean? I don't know why I've done that. It wouldn't even work anyway. Oh, my throat. After internet declaration was not always. Huh. Oh. Maybe algorithms aren't for me. I think I'm drained now from this. I might need to take a. I need to take a step back, because obviously I'm not in the headspace to be doing algorithms at this point today. So I'm going to end it here. Probably just do a bit of reading after I end the stream. Thank you so much for sticking around. Yeah, thank you. And I'll be back with hopefully a sharper algorithm mind, hopefully. So yeah, have a nice day. Thank you for sticking around. Bye.